So welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode we are going to be carrying on with the T5, but something different. We're going to be having a look at the steering. So my brother, he's been using it for the past couple of weeks, and he said it's just started making a bit of a, well, he said it's making a funny noise when he's steering. So I had a look and I checked the fluid, and the fluid level is low. It's an absolute nightmare to get to the power steering reservoir. All of this bonnet tidy needs to be removed, but I've just put it back on because I gave up and I went back in, because what I found was, I thought, well, if it's losing oil, if it's used a bit of oil, it must be going somewhere. So I had a look underneath this side, and instantly, straight away, you can just see there's fluid there. It was wet, so I led down and I got underneath and I put my hand under like this, and I can't remember where I stuck my hand last time, but same results, although last time it was dripping off my finger. Yeah, so there's loads of it on there, and it's red. So it's the red fluid that's in there, and everywhere I've read on the forums, they're all saying that keep away from the red fluid, because the red fluid will eat your bushes, eat through all the O-rings, and it'll make it, you know, if there is any issues there, it's going to make it worse. So not unless there's some new technology that I don't know about, but yeah, this is apparently, so this is the red hydraulic fluid that's in there, and it should be green from what they're saying, but you can see how far it's run up the oil, whereas how far the hydraulic fluid has run, because it's been dripping down obviously while he's driving, and it's running along the subframe there. So I was just going to bleed the system through, but I don't think there's any point bleeding the system through, because, well, it's gushing out as it is. So I'm thinking the plan of action is to replace that power steering, the actual the steering rack. I mean, that rack, I've had a look online at a few prices. I think about £400, but I'm actually going to ring up the dealership and see what they're doing, because we get 10% discount with them as well at the dealership. So I'll be giving them a call. There's a few other things that I need to get for the T5. Off the top of my head, can't really think. Oh no, I do know what I want, is the paint colour. I need to find out the code for whatever colour paint this is. Obviously I need to clean the van as well, but also, if any of you guys do have or know where I can get a steering rack from, because I don't know where I'm going to go with this, because it's a little bit of a pain in the arse, isn't it? But I think yeah, I think what I'm going to do is, I mean, look, even the door doesn't line up. I just noticed that then. Yeah, that's not good, is it? All see, this one's sticking out loads. So it's sticking out at the top, and it's too far in at the bottom. And by the looks of it, the door's too low, because it's taken, you know, it's chipped the bodywork there. Yeah, so that needs addressing as well. This is so many little issues, so many little issues. I don't know, it's one thing after another, and the worst thing about it is that trying to get underneath, trying to get a jack under, or because it's so bloody low, you can't. I mean, you can't even park near a curb or anything. Look, you barely get my foot underneath. But I think what I'm going to do is, I don't know what I'm going to do, to be honest with you. I really don't. I'm probably just going to go and go get some cleaning products and clean the van. Looks like I need a new steering rack for it. Any help? Anyone who's got any advice or know any companies down on the south coast that can do steering racks, or, you know, I'll do the job myself because I've got loads of other work underneath to get on with. But any help would be much appreciated. Yeah, so stay tuned, because obviously we're going to be getting the power steering rack out, and we're going to have to be, well, I presume the subframe's going to have to come down. I don't know. We'll wing it. We'll see how it goes. All I can say is thank you very much for watching. Please like, it does help the channel, and it's really going to help me at the moment because I need the YouTube algorithm to start working in my favour. Okay, well, you take care, stay safe, and God bless.